It is very important to maintain consistency in your presentation deck, especially color. Hi, this is Erwin Ho. Let me show you how we use a powerful tool to help you maintaining the color in your presentation. Especially if you are in the corporate world, the color, the branding of your color is very important. Let us drill down into how we make use of this powerful tool called Eyedropper. What is an eyedropper? Eyedropper is a tool for you to pick the color from one object and then apply it to another object seamlessly. So let us see how this tool works, right? So I have a logo over here. Let's say this is my company logo and I have to comply to this logo color in all my presentation slides. So let's say if I have some shapes over here, how can I change the color of this shape in the color that I have, like this one, right? So let us use the eyedropper tools to pick up the color in my logo. Let's say if I pick on this shape, what I need to do is to go to the format, and at the shape field here, you can kick it out, and then you can see there's a tool called Eyedropper. You click on this eyedropper and your cursor will change to an eyedropper icon, and then you can move slowly to the shape or to the color of the logo that you want to pick up the color. You see right now I have moved my cursor to this orange color, and so what I need to do is just click on this particular area there where I want the color to be applied, and I click on it and you can see my shape instantly change to the color that I have picked up, right? So let's say, okay, this is somewhat I want the color, and how about the border? If I want my border to be exactly the same as what my corporate color, the blue color over here, so what I need to do, I just repeat the step. Click on the shapes, click on the format, and then you see there's a shape outline. You click the shape outline, and you will see again the eyedropper icons appear. Click on the eyedropper icon and move your cursor to the color that you want to pick it up. Let's say this one. Let's say I pick it up, and you will see there's a changes on the outline color, but it's not prominent enough. What do I need to do is I need to do some touch up, maybe go back to the format and shape outline, kick it out, and you can see weight. Over here, weight, I will go and thicken the outline so that I can see it more clearer. Right, so this is one of the shape. You see that it represent or mimic somewhat the color of the logo of my company. So this is how I can apply the color into the shapes by using eyedropper to pick up the colors that I want from the logo. So how about text? Those are shapes color. So text color, you also can use the same approach. Let's say this text, it's in black color, but I want the text to be in my corporate color. Let's say the blue color or the orange color. What do I need to do? So basically, you just highlight the text. Then you go to home and you see there's a text color over here, the font color. You kick it out, and then you can see the eyedropper icon again in the text or the font color. So pick up the eyedropper, and then you slowly move your cursor to the color that you want to pick it up. They say I want to pick up orange. I just click on the orange, and you see that my text instantly changed to the color that I have picked up. Right. So this is how we pick colors from the shape, the objects that we want. Let's say in this case I use the company logo. So let us see how this can apply in the real presentation slides. For example, I have this slide. Okay, this perhaps is one of the slides I want to present to show the statistics or the charts, the numbers, the data numbers that I want to present. Example over here, 75%, 60%, 80%, 45%, with some objects like text box and the graphs over here. So how can I apply my corporate color into these shapes? right? So the steps are simple. Just repeat the steps that we have learned just now, right? What we can do right now is go back to the slide, and then I copy this logo out and paste it over here so that I can have the reference to pick up the color. So let's say this text box, I want it to be in blue color of my corporate color. So what I can do, I just repeat the steps. I click on this particular box, then I go back to the drawing tools format and click out the shapes field, and you can see the eyedropper. I pick the eyedropper and slowly move it to the color that I want to pick. So this blue color, I pick it up. So you see that my text box changed to the blue, the color that I want. Okay, same thing over here. I click it here, I repeat. Instead of repeating the same step, basically PowerPoint remembers what color that we have picked up. So example over here. Just now I have picked up the blue color. So if I want to repeat the color that I want for this particular text box, I can go back to the shape field, kick it out, and you can see reason colors over here. So the blue color registered in this reason colors are a selection for you. So what you can do, you just choose this color and you see that it's instantly changed to the color that you want. Same thing for this chart or this graph. Okay, the donut graph over here or donut chart over here, if I want to change this portion of color, black color, into the color that I want, the corporate color, the blue corporate color, I just pick up this shape and go back to the shape field and I click on the reason color blue. Right, same thing for this one. I click it over here, I change to reason color blue. Right, same for the icons. If you want your icon to be same color as this blue, you just pick the icon and then repeat. So instead of repeating, kick this toolbox out and then select your color, basically PowerPoint also smart enough to register the color that you have used recently. So meaning that the color over here, you see the blue color is highlighted in this box. I just repeat this blue, then you will see that it changed to blue. If I want to apply the same color over here, of the blue color over here, what I can do is that I repeat the steps. Okay, let's say I click on this text box. Instead of clicking one by one of the object, what I can do, I can select all, as in like I press on the control button on my keyboard and you see the cursor somewhat change to a plus point. You move your cursor to the objects that you want to change color. Okay, then I pick up all the objects and then straight away go to apply the color, and you see that it will instantly change the color according to your corporate color that you like. Same thing over here. Let's say now I want to play around with the two corporate colors that I have, the blue and the orange. So same here, what I can do, I pick up all the boxes over here, all the objects, not boxes, the objects over here, you see. But I don't have the orange color. What I can do, I go to eyedropper and go to pick up my corporate color that I want. Once pick it up, you see, voila, it straight away change all the objects into the color that I wish. Same thing over here, I miss out this one. Perhaps I just click on this one, right? See, instead of I'm going back, repeat the same thing and choose the eyedropper and go and select the color, the PowerPoint has registered the orange color over here. I just click on this orange color and you see that it will instantly apply. So you repeat all these steps and the whole diagrams will look nice and clean and suit to the corporate color that you have, which is the logo over here. So after you have applied everything, the same thing will be like this. So let me make it bigger and you see that how nice is this slide, that the color is matching the logo of your company. I hope you enjoyed this video by using this smart tool called PowerPoint Eyedropper tool that pick up colors from the objects that you want. Thank you.